Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Haziza and I do sewing and fashion design. Anyway, I made that shirt. I am so proud of it. I love it. It's just, uh, I would say there's some kind of thing that I don't like about it, but whatever. Let's talk about this one. Okay, I already cut the chest. This is gonna be like repeatable process. Cut the shirt, sleeves, all this, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, this is the band, the waistband that I wanted for this shirt, okay? And right here, I'm just cutting the arm thing. I honestly don't know what they call it, but anyway, here is the pattern. Everything is cut already. Yeah, of course I'm gonna do it on the floor, and of course she's gonna come. You know what I'm saying? Of course she's here. I love that. But at some point, I felt that's like dangerous. But I kind of control the scene. You know what I'm saying? I can do that. You know what I'm saying? We all can do that. Anyway, here I pin the back and the front together because there's like specific way, and it's kind of look. It might look weird to you because I made like the cut, and instead of like in the front or in the middle, I made it like way to the back. So it's like I use the fabric as it is, in straight line. You see what I'm saying? I did not cut anything. I just like use the straight line on the front, and then while I'm ironing it, the small triangle is gonna go to the back. You see? Yes, I think you see that. Anyway, let's keep going. Of course, you need to pin everything. And yeah, here I'm gonna start with the small piece that goes, it's like the necklining in the back. So right here I'm doing the back neckline. Okay, so yeah, give it a sew, and don't forget to snip it because it's curved. We don't want it to be bulking somewhere else. And then tuck it again to the inside piece, right? Yeah. And don't forget to give it an iron. Okay, you need to iron it flat, alright? So I'm just right here, I start doing the front and back, like to attach them together. Hey guys, if you heard any noise, that's my little baby. I cannot shut her down. So, okay, so just ignore it, okay? Cool. Let's go. Okay, here I'm just done with the front and back. I'm just give it a small iron. Of course, to look good and neat and stuff. And so I'm not gonna use any buttons on this shirt. I'm gonna use zippers, specifically invisible zippers. You know what? Because if someone says that they love their job and there is specific thing that they love about their job, for me, it's gonna be hidden zipper, invisible zipper. It is. It's what? It's hard to do it, but I love it so much. I can't tell how much I love it, and I want to put it in all my designs. Actually, my design's gonna be revolving around invisible zippers. That's all I'm gonna use. I'm gonna stop using any buttons and nonsense. Look at that. You know what I'm saying? Just look at that. After I give it an iron, it's just gonna be flawless. You know what I'm saying? You cannot say anything about that. You cannot convince me the opposite. Okay, let's change the subject. Anyway, here we have the top and the waistband, or like the bottom waistband on the shirt. But we're gonna just go ahead and sew it together or construct it so we can put it on the shirt, right? After I'm done with this thing, with all these steps, I'm just gonna go ahead and also iron it again, and I'm gonna give it a small sew on the serger because we don't want it to fray, right? We want everything has to do with clean, neat look. That's what we want. Okay? Yeah, I guess just lay it flat. I wish that curve was like very defined more than that. I want it to be like very, very, like I want the curve to be like very showing. But it was just a slightly curved. That's what I think. You guys tell me, let me know in the comment, what do you think? Is it like cool, medium, or like meh? Just give it one from 1 to 10. All right. Okay. Oh, I love that hidden zipper. I love it. Okay, right here, I'm just gonna, what I'm doing right now, I am marking the spots that I'm gonna like. It's exactly like how I'm gonna put the curve in the shirt. I'm gonna draw it or mark it in the shirt. Okay? And so I can, know exactly where is my stuff gonna go. This step is because it's not gonna be like flat, it's gonna be a little bit wrinkly. So I sew it a little bit and then I made like the ruffles to fit exactly because the shirt is a little bit bigger than the curve, right? So right here I just made it as the same size as the curve, and go ahead and pin it, and then after that I'm just gonna go ahead and sew it. Okay, after putting everything together, this you also need to iron it, of course. Here is a side zipper. I put two zippers. One goes to the like goes up, the other one goes down. Cause I honestly I don't want to fight with the shirt to put it on. I want it to be big enough, or like there's bigger space so I can just put it in. I don't want to struggle with it. If you know what I'm saying. If you know, you know. If you don't know, I don't know how to, make it easy for you to know. Okay, go ahead and put the zipper. All right. After, of course, you pin it. Right here, I'm done with the zipper. No, I still have the rest of the zipper. Okay, guys, we're done with the zipper. You need to cut it, of course, to make it like as long as you want. I mean, yeah. And this here, I am trying to attach it from the top where the sleeve goes. You see what I'm saying? This is the side. Now you're gonna tuck the rest of the fabric. You're gonna just give it a small tuck with like sew it, okay? And of course, we're gonna give it a small iron. It's not a small iron, just iron it as much as you can. You can, as much as you can, without tea. Alright? Yeah. Okay, here we're done from the side zipper. It looks pretty, it looks good, it's giving clean, nice sewing, alright? Now this is shirt like inside of the shirt, because it's like two pieces, like it's two layers. we sew it from outside. Now we're gonna tuck it from the inside, but you're gonna sew it from outside. You'll be able to see exactly where is your sewing machine is going, because we want like neat, clean line. All right, we don't want it to be like all flimsy and stupid. All right, if you know what I'm saying. Okay, now let's go ahead and do the sleeves. The sleeves also has like, it's like bubble sleeves. I think so. Yeah, they're like bubble, and they can like chef kiss. We're gonna do the same technique that we did in the shirt. We're gonna do it in the sleeves too, because we want them to just fit right. I don't want to fight with it in the sewing machine, trying to tug this piece and tug that piece, and ah, that's the struggle. Here we go. We're attaching the sleeve and the bottom of the sleeves together. I don't know what they call it. Thing like the thing around of your like the wrist. I don't know what they call it, but you know what? Just bear with me. You don't have to know names. You just have to know the techniques. All right? Oh, bye. I'm gonna go ahead and pin the zippers. Yes, I have zippers on the sleeves, and yes, they're not beige or light brown or like mocha color. They're blue because I guess I don't have so many beige or so many blue to just match everything together. So, but they work, it's hidden zipper. All right, don't beat yourself a lot about that. Just do what works with you. All right. Okay, we almost finished from the sleeves. We just doing like the finishing touch. We need to put this piece together in sleeve so we can just finish it up all the way. Okay, and here I'm just doing it in a serger because I don't want it to fray. And okay, baby, here we done from the sleeves. We just gonna give this small sewing from outside. After we give it a small iron, we need to iron it because we want everything to just sit there, be secure. We don't want flames and stuff. All right. So after that, I think the sleeve's gonna be just done. All we're gonna do is just put them in the shirt. Okay, I went ahead and did those small slits like small pieces in the sides, because I don't want the shirt to be like very like bubbly in the chest. I mean, it just doesn't make sense to me anyway. Okay, we almost done. I think we're done. We're just gonna put the sleeves, and that's gonna be it. We're gonna be free. We're gonna go take pictures. We're gonna love the shirt. Okay, here we are putting the sleeves in the shirt because it's just the last step. I promise. Okay. And here is our shirt with its all glory. We're done. If you made it that far in the video, I am thanking you so much. I really love it. It came so clean. I mean, I wish that I made like defined or like made so many things on it like very defined, but as as it for now, I love it so much. It looks so pretty. Look at the triangle in the back. Oh my gosh, so pretty. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. I love you so much and I see you in the next video. Please don't forget to share and like and subscribe. Bye bye.